The CoolerMaster MasterLiquid 240 Atmos RGB is the type of cooler that fits almost any PC build, whether budget or high-end. Why? Simply because its price is almost too good to be true. It delivers in performance, aesthetics, and reliability, while costing just around $100. It's the perfect choice for those who want the best without breaking the bank, making it the jack of all trades, hence this is my top pick. Design-wise, there's a lot happening, especially when compared to its predecessor lineup, the MasterLiquid ML series that had a bland and boring design. In this one, the eye-catching pump design will grab your attention the most, with its hexagon-shaped head, along with unique silver accents running inside the transparent pump cover. Users can also personalize it with available 3D printed designs on CoolerMaster's website. However, the pump doesn't incorporate an LCD screen that could help display real-time hardware temperature monitoring, which might be a downside for consumers who prioritize having an LCD display in their CPU coolers. The overall aesthetic of the cooler is very subtle and uniform throughout, but the sickle flow edge fans spice things up with their translucent fan blades that also aid in better RGB lighting visibility. The fans are quiet and perform well under immense CPU loads. The tubing is solid and the pump is rotatable, so you won't have to worry about installing it correctly, unlike some previous CoolerMaster models that had the same issue. On the technical side, CoolerMaster is using their own proprietary pump instead of an Asetek pump, which they call the next-gen dual-chamber pump. Spoiler alert, it performs exceptionally well with its large copper CPU contact plate. It also includes a user-friendly 5-point thermal paste stencil tool, making applications straightforward and error-free. When it comes to compatibility and installation, the Atmos 240 is compatible with almost all major platforms, including AM4, AM5, and LGA 1700, and is backwards compatible with Intel's previous generation sockets. However, it doesn't support AMD Threadripper sockets. On the flip side, installation is easy because the radiator comes pre-mounted with the sickle flow fans out of the box. You won't have to spend time finding the right screws to mount the fans, saving 5 to 10 minutes during installation. The radiator is 27mm thick, which is standard for these coolers, making it an easy fit for almost all case sizes. When it comes to performance, the CoolerMaster Atmos 240 shines under all sorts of CPU stresses stress-free, pun intended. Even with an overclocked Ryzen 5 5700X CPU handling productivity loads, the Atmos 240 keeps temperatures cool enough to allow for even better overclocking potential. The larger CPU block aids in dissipating heat efficiently, and the sickle flow edge fans remain barely audible even under heavy workloads. Additionally, CoolerMaster was generous enough to include the same fans as those in the 360mm variant, ensuring that the fan performance is in a class of its own. Speaking of which, the Atmos 240 is indeed top of its class, competing directly with other coolers such as the Corsair H100X Elite RGB, MSI Mag Core Liquid 240R V2, and a few options from Up Here and cheaper brands like ID Cooling. Among this competition, the performance potential of the Atmos 240, coupled with an extremely reasonable price tag, gives it the upper hand. The only aspect that could outperform it is a cooler with an LCD display that performs equally under $100, which is non-existent. Ultimately, the MasterLiquid 240 Atmos is truly a testament to what CoolerMaster has achieved at such a competitive price tag. The cooler does everything right, specifically in terms of performance, value, and noise levels, making it an all-rounder choice for everyone out there. To sum up, what I like is that the top pump cover can be personalized, the top-notch ARGB fans, the affordable price tag, and the impressively low noise levels. On the downside, there's no LCD display on the pump. Ratings: Design and aesthetics, 8 out of 10. Cooling performance, 9 out of 10. Noise, 9 out of 10. Installation, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10. For an overall rating of 9 out of 10. So, what do you think? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.